Welcome to Cooking with Kara, Backcountry Edition, where we try out new recipes in the outdoors for the first time while backpacking. I mean, what could go wrong? You'll need to get some top ramen. I've chose the soy sauce. I've never tried it before, but that is part of this meal. Trying the unknown. Next, I have a chicken creation ginger soy. White chicken. I haven't tried the chicken creations before. I'm excited not to be tuna. And the ingredient list on it, not the best, but hey, good dose of salt and a little bit of protein in there. I also picked up these Trader Joe's dehydrated carrots and just snack on them like chips, but I thought, hey, they're dehydrated, I might add them and get a little veggie into the meal. Here's the plan. We're gonna take these noodles and we're gonna take this chicken and these dehydrated carrots. We're going to boil some hot water, let it soak in a Ziploc bag, and have ourselves some dinner. How much water to add? We're gonna eye it here. Always better to start off with like a little bit, and then if you need more liquid to add it, just, you know, we're not making something too soupy. Alright, so this is what we did here. Took the ramen noodles, broke them up, and then also took some of those dehydrated carrots. So now I'm just going to pour water in the bag, let it soak. I'm using one of these old backpacker pantry Coozies here. Just helps reheat it as we wait for it to cook. Not to entice you too much here, but it is now cooked. It's been sitting for about 10 minutes. Mixed in all of the seasoning as well as the chicken packet. So, without further ado, hey, freezer bag cooking is never gonna look that pretty, but there's no cleanup at all. And excited to try this one out. So you got your chicken, your carrots all dehydrated, got your whole packet of soy sauce, and ready to dig in. Alright, almost done here, and I gotta say, it's pretty great. I think it will be the one I make again. Alright, well anyway, thank you for watching. If you like what you see here, feel free to like, subscribe, or if you have any suggestions, maybe to improve this, or what your favorite backpacking meals are, please leave a comment down below. Alright, bye!